Hi friends, good evening. Welcome to my YouTube channel Learn It Bro. Let's go into today's video. In today's video, we are going to see the Sri Lanka arrival guidelines for the tourists, the people who are traveling from Sri Lanka as a tourist from India. If they are traveling for the purpose of tourism to Sri Lanka, what are the formalities needs to be followed? In today's video, we will discuss in detail. So please don't skip. You can see on my screen I have opened the official website of Sri Lankan government. It is for the Sri Lanka travel. They have separately made one website due to this COVID regulation. So I will take you to the rules and regulation which needs to be followed. Now you can see for fully vaccinated traveler the health protocol guidelines are given. You need to download this particular file. Now we will discuss the point one by one. Now you can see on my screen health protocol for arrivals to Sri Lanka tourism fully vaccinated traveler. So we will discuss the rule one by one. So to visit Sri Lanka, first you need to be fully vaccinated. You need to be fully vaccinated against the COVID-19 disease infection. You should have taken both the doses of vaccine and you should have completed 14 days, and you must carry fully vaccination certificate. That is the first point. And you need to have a tourist visa, valid tourist visa, and a confirmed return ticket with a confirmed hotel reservation. You must apply tourist visa on this particular website. You can see on the second point, you should have a valid visa, valid tourist visa, and it must be applied from this particular website. You can do it on your own, or you can approach the travel agency, or you can do it with the embassy. And second, you need to have a negative PCR test done within 72 hours from the departure time. Within 72 hours from the departure time, you need to hold negative PCR certificate, which is very important. And you need to have local insurance cover, which is mandatory from 1st January 2022. You need to have a local insurance, and it must be taken from this www.visitsrilanka.gov.lk. From this website, you need to pay for the COVID-19 local insurance cover, which is mandatory from 1st January 2022, even if you are fully vaccinated. And you must carry your vaccination certificate. You must carry your vaccination certificate. You must carry your negative PCR certificate, and you need to have this local insurance. And apart from that, you need to fill one health declaration form. That form I will give you in the link on the description. You need to have a completed health declaration form. And on arrival, if you are a fully vaccinated traveler, there will be no test. You need not to take any kind of test. On arrival, there is no test required for fully vaccinated traveler. But in case if you are traveling with a children aged between 12 to 18 years who are not vaccinated or not fully vaccinated, you need that particular children need to undergo RT-PCR test on arrival, and for that the charges needs to be paid on this particular website. Fully vaccinated children between 12 to 18 years, they need to pay USD 40 for the on arrival test, and it needs to be paid on this particular website. And hotel, the Sri Lankan government is recommending to book safe and secure level 1 hotel only. You can book it through any of the hotel directly or the travel agency. You can find those information on this particular website. I'm telling you again, you can visit either the same website what I am right now logged in. You can check those details, the safe and secure level 1 hotel. You can check and you can book accordingly, and it is must. You must stay in this level 1 safe and secure hotel. So these are the simple formalities, my dear friends. You need to have your vaccination certificate, you need to have your negative PCR certificate, you need to hold a mandatory insurance cover, and you need to book your hotel accommodation in level 1 safe and secure hotel, and you need to apply prior visa before entering into the Sri Lanka. So these are the simple rules, my dear friends. Hope it was useful, I think. So please subscribe my YouTube channel, and please hit a like button if you really liked my video. Thank you so much. Thanks a lot.